Hello, today I'm very excited to talk about the brand KEZEF and this 925 14 inches cable. It's a cable silver chain, as you can see here. It's color silver. I was provided this sample and I'm actually very excited to review it with you. This is how it closes. This is how it closes, and it's a short chain. You put it around your necklace. You can put a little bit around like a small charm, or if you want to leave it like that. It's good for casual and formal wear. Also, if you want to take care of this chain, just clean it with a cloth. Avoid any chemicals, avoid any perfumes, cosmetics. And also, if you want to go to the pool or if you want to go to the beach, make sure you take it off and you store it in a place where it doesn't get tangled. I love the material is made in Italy. It's a fine material and it's very beautiful. I just love the color. I love the texture. I love the cable chain. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.